Hey guys, before I start this video, I'd like us all to think about the guys down in Texas. They're having it pretty rough down there with lots of fires, no hydro, no water, all this sort of stuff. So anyway, a little prayer goes out to the guys in Texas. Hey guys, back in the doghouse today. I'm going to take the front clip off again, and then I'm going to paint it, do a little bit of welding on it, and then put it back on. I don't know what I'm going to do. Hey guys, back to the doghouse. Today I'm going to take the front clip off again, do a bit of welding on it on the inside, get it all cleaned up, paint it, and then something else. But anyway, hang around and see if I get hurt. I hope I don't. Today I'm running solo, and you never know what could happen in the doghouse. Stay tuned, more to come. Yeah.
Boy, Nelson, right?
Okay, the hood's off, front clip, whatever you want to call it, but in here, this is what I have to weld. This here's what I got to weld all down in here. It's really rough, all rotted out along here and this sort of stuff. So I'm gonna put in a new piece right from there, right to the top, and the same with the other side. It's all the same way. It's you see it's all rotted out, so I'm going to cut all that stuff out there and put in a whole new strip, right the full width here, all the way down, and that'll fix that. But it's going to look good. Well, yes, it's going to look good when I'm done, but I really won't see it. But it's going to be structurally sound, and the rust won't be coming through. That's the main thing, is keep the rust off this. Well, I think I got it to the point where I can start putting some primer on it. Primer just to stop the rust. I got it all the welding finished. I did these patches here, building the front end all along here, all along there. I did most of that about 3 or 4 years ago. and they were just kind of tacked on. And so today I finished welding it up full seam and filling some holes that I blew through, because I'm not a welder. I'm not a good welder anyway. I enjoy it, but I have to learn every day that I come back out here. I had to build all the front end here. I had to rebuild all this here. This here was all rotten. This here was all rotten right down to the very end right here. I had to put in a full strip here all the way around, same as on the other side. The back wasn't too bad. I had a little bit of work to do back there. And this was a big one here, full strip from here all the way around here. Had to put that in. And then same on the other side. I had to put a strip on the inside just to sturdy it up. And this here was another full strip. You can kind of see my seam here under the primer. But anyway, I'm going to clean it up right now, and I'm going to put my rust inhibitor primer on it just for the time being. And then next week I'm going to what am I going to do? I guess I'll paint it. At least paint it on the inside and paint the edges, because I can't paint them when it's on the truck. So I'll just paint all the perimeter, like all around here. I'll go ahead and I'll paint it the flat black, and then this part in here, that's going to be gloss black, kind of the frame. I painted it all gloss black, but it doesn't look gloss black now because it's all dusty. But I'll clean that up. And firewall's flat black. Here's flat black. Well, it's called hot rod black, I think it's called. But anyway, that's that hot rod black's really expensive. It's like $110 a quart. And I know I can't do it with a quart. I got to probably do 2 gallons of it, so that's a pretty expensive way of doing it. But I've seen a couple guys paint their vehicles in Rust-Oleum, flat black, and they said it works good. Yes, it probably goes on good, but how long does it really last before it all fades out or whatever? So we've got another type of paint here, which is supposed to be similar to the Rust-Oleum. It's trim clad. We can get that at Canadian Tire, and then Home Hardware has a flat black. I just forget the name of it. I guess it's Beauty Tone or something like that. But anyway, it's supposed to be for exterior. I might give that a try, because it's only like $40 a gallon, which is a lot cheaper. But then I really shouldn't worry about it fading, because I'm not going to be outside with this truck very much. Anytime I'm not driving it, it's going to be in the garage, same as my other vehicles. But hopefully by this time next week, it'll look a little different. Yeah, it looks a little sad right now. But anyway, I'll get the front end on, get the wheels back on, I'll get some color on it. And not necessarily paint, but I think what I'll do, I'll use flat black primer. And at least it'll look like it's kind of painted. But anyway, guys, thanks for hanging on. And we'll get something done. Oh, by the way, I got some stickers in the mail finally. My buddy Keith, the lad that comes over and helps me now and again, he made me this Andy's Doghouse sign. Isn't that cool? It's light cherry. It's all live edge. You can see the edges where the termites have gone through and made their little tunnels, so forth. But anyway, Keith went and took all the bark off. Well, the bark pretty well fell off. And then he shellacked it all up and gave that to me last week. I thought that was really cool. That's a buddy. But anyway, I got some other stickers. As you can see, there's a bunch up there. Well, I got a bunch of STP and this sort of stuff that really don't mean anything to me. But these are the ones that do mean something to me. Rat Rod Bob. Yeah. Rat Rodology. Then I got Love It Speed Shop. That's pretty cool. I got them on Wednesday. And then well, I don't have them here, but I got a pair of stickers from BW's garage as well. And I guess I should get my finger off the thing. But anyway, here's the stickers from BW, or not from BW, but from Love It Speed Shop. Alicia and Herb sent these to me. I got them on Thursday. The ones I got from BW's garage, I got them Thursday. I got Rat Rod Bob's, my gosh, last week sometime. But anyway, finally got it. And then I got this here from the guys that made my drive shaft. So who handles your shaft? Anyway, guys, gotta go. Got stuff to do. And see you in the next one. See you tonight at BW's live and Love It Speed Shop live. I think here. So anyway, guys, see you later. Thanks for dropping by. Didn't get hurt this time. All went well. Bye now. Keep on ranching. Right, Dan? Hey guys, here's the 2 stickers that I was looking for earlier from my buddy BW. That's his portrait on the right hand side. Looking good, BW. And a picture of sad news. Maybe it is bad news, I don't know. But anyway, I got them. I'm going to stick them on the bed side of my Fargo. I've got 2 beds, or 2 boxes, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to paint up one of the sides, and I'm going to hang it from my ceiling, and I'm going to put all the stickers on the side of the bed. I think that'll look cool. But anyway, anybody that wants to trade stickers, I'm game. I'm still waiting for Michigan Muscle Garage to send his sticker, and I think Big Block King is going to send me one, or Iron Head is going to send me one. Maybe both of them will send me one. All of you send me one, and I'll send you guys one. Kind of cool. Talk to you later.